Hello, welcome back to the Grassy Mitten. Today I'm on top of my garage because my gutters are full of pine needles and I need to get this cleaned out before winter time. Let's check it out. Alright, sorry for the wind, but this is the side of my garage. All the pine needles just gather up all the way down. This is the culprit right here. So, I need to clean it up and get this fixed before winter time so it doesn't make a mess. Alright, let's get to it. Here's some items you may need while doing this. You need a pair of gloves, a bag or a bucket, and possibly a little garden shovel. This might help you dig a little bit better. A bag for sure, a bucket, definitely some gloves because it can get kind of nasty. So. Alright, so let's get started. The other side of my garage isn't too bad. So, just being on the roof is not my favorite thing to do. We got some storm coming, so gotta get this done before the rain comes. That's pretty much it for this side. Good enough. I ended up getting 2 full grocery bags of leaves just from one side of the gutter, pretty much. So that is quite a mess. Now we're going to take the garden hose and spray it all down and clean it up real good. Okay, once you got most of that sludge out of there, I just take the hose and spray it down. Make sure you pay attention where your feet are at so you don't fall off the roof. It would not be good. There's the drain. Now you have to get in there to plug that so the water can drain. Like that. And then keep going. See down there? Let's go through it one more time. All right, put the hose down. Look out, Abby. Okay. All right, that looks a lot better than it did. And it didn't take a whole lot of time. Just gotta be careful and take your time with it. That looks a whole lot better than it did. I was just getting finished and it started raining on me, but look what I can see here. A bit of a rainbow. Kind of cool. Okay, that's it for this video. Hope you liked it. As you noticed, I trimmed some of the branches on that tree to keep it off the roof and maybe help keep some of the needles out of the gutter. I don't know if it will or not. We'll find out next year. But I recommend checking your gutters at least once a year, maybe spring and fall, especially in the winter time. Help the gutters from icing up and causing problems later on. So, hope you liked the video. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again. See you in the next video.